we will continue to add image and semantic tag as image and semantic yes. So we will learn how to add an image, right? By we can create a place to visit. Okay, we can. I want to travel. Alright. So below something like a list, right? We have a list. Like below the list. C C, right? And on the C we will have something like this place the beautiful place I travel to in the future and then save. Alright, so below I will put an image on it. Maybe like we will have an image shows alert task, right? Image shows where it belong. So I have an okay, I have layer. Okay, I will create a folder. Its name is image, and then I put image C on the folder. Alright, and then I have a source image plus C dot jpeg close close the tab, right? I think I'm wrong. Yeah, let me check again. And we have some tag like alert, right? Equal like this thing beautiful see, and then we have tag on. Yes. Let's check on the browser. Yeah, it had an image, but something wrong on on a place like I want to put this on. Think I'm wrong on this. Okay. I think it should be UL, right? What about LI? Why? What's wrong? Oh yeah. The image has go inside the browser, and then we have set up something like the width and the height. Right, we have the width, maybe width equal 200 or maybe 500, and height equal 400. Okay, let's check. Okay, so maybe 300. After you change the size, the image will change also. Okay, so we have a test, a play. This is an image. Let's inspect. Yeah, the image, right? And we have a title, the wish see, and then loading. You see what happened. Loading is something like okay, not happening. And then we have something like figure. Okay, yeah, figure, figure. Now the image. Okay, and set. Okay. The figure element flow contain caption that is set contain like condition reference as a single unit from the main flow of the count document. Okay. So on the figure we have something like fixed caption. Fixed caption. And this is beautiful. See ever. Yes, but right. What's wrong with this? I have to close this, and then This is a beautiful sea ever. Yeah. If you want to create a caption below the image, you can have an image shows the folder and the image name unaltered is defined and test on the image. And test is something like help the machine know what is the image talking about. Yes, and title is represent information related to element belong to like typically. Okay, so the width and height is for the image size. Loading lazy. Fixed caption is the title. So if you want to create fixed caption, you have to figure. All right. And about the something like this, and you want to have a lot of spacing. For example, like you create brick, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So it will make that your website lost a lot, and it will make the browser look not good. So I have another way to represent it. Maybe press 10. What happened? Nothing happened. uh Let me check again. Like frick 100 is a lot of frick. What about frick 2? Frick and 10. Nothing happened. Okay, and now we will move to something like um, a side. Okay, a side. Represent a section of a page that consists of content that is essentially related to content around the assigned element. Right, so assign, we have detail. Detail we have summary plus the this. Alright, let's see this. Okay, we have marks. Marks is this is yellow color. Okay, marks like you highlight it, and detail aside is you can expand the information. And now uh, we have another. Okay, and below we have some tests. Right, this is only a test. Alright, marks highlight content you want to highlight. This is only a command that help your team know what you did. Right, command, it will not appear on the place on the page, but it will appear on the course, so your team, when they do, they know yeah, what it is, command, right? So yeah, I think mm, that's it for today. Something you learn how to create an image, create a folder, then we have an image, and then we have a short annotate represent the name of the image, title, the width and height, the size of the image, plotting, fixed caption for the caption below the image, and then we also create a side detail summary what is, and we have a mark like the highlight of the text you want to highlight it, and here some command. So I think today is all. I hope all you guys have a great day and see you on the next video. Bye bye.